back to my channel. I hope you're ready for some fun. Today we're going to do some coasters. I've got these round, these are unglazed round ceramic coasters. I love using these much better than I like using the glazed ones. The paint stays where you put it easier. They don't slide off as easy. You don't have that ability to peel it off like a paint skin later, but I do like these. So let's get down to the table and have some fun. Okay, so I've got my first coaster sitting here. So we're going to use the Golden Plumeria by Sherwin Colors to Go as our base coat today. For our colors, I've got Eye Candy in Ameterasu Silver, Magma Magenta, Electric Blue, and 14K Nugget Gold. Then in TLP, I have some Funk. Then I have some Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet. And then for our cell activators, I'm trying something new today. This is Amsterdam Turquoise Blue. I think that's going to be a really pretty cell activator, along with my titanium white. All right, let's get started. I got 4 coasters here. We're going to see how we can knock these out. Now for a coaster, you really don't need a whole lot of paint.
stuck upside down. I might be dreaming, there's no way back now. Take every inch of my body, wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got, 'cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again. Why would I fight the things I'm feeling? Rather space out here next to you. Ooh, like astronauts, we're in the night sky and we won't come down. Make every inch of my body, wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got, 'cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again. I don't care. Ooh.
This fourth coaster gave me a lot of trouble. You're not going to see the first 2 tries, you're going to see the third and the fourth try before I had something I liked, because I just didn't have enough time to show you all 4 tries. So enjoy.
Your battles are mine too. I'll fight for you when things get hard. Lay it all on me when you're not strong enough to carry on. Baby, you should know I got you. 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 I know the world can be a crazy place sometimes. We can leave tonight, leave it all behind. If the end is near, just know that I got you. I'm your armor when things get tough. No, I got you back. Your battles are mine too. I'll fight for you when things get hard. Lay it all on me when you're not strong enough to carry on. Baby, you should know I got you. Baby, you should know I got you. You should know. Baby, you should know I got you. 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 Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get loud and come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get loud and come on, lose control. Ain't no limit when we go for gold. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Let's hit the club, time to make a move.
Let me clean up a bit and I'll give you a flyby. All right. Pretty happy with these. So this is number 1. Number 2. I really like it, number 2. Number 3 is really pretty. And the number 4 is a little different than the rest and took a lot longer to get something I liked. It's a lot more silver, but still pretty cool. All right, we're gonna let these dry and hang in there for the dry results. Okay, we have the final dry results. Okay, we have the final dry results. And I'm really pleased with the first 3. Number 4 decided to be trouble again, but not bad. So there's number 2. And this one, I really love this one. And then this one went a little wonky during the drying, but still not bad. They were fun. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now this is part of our Friday with Friends, so please go down to the description box for all the links. Before me, you should have seen Bill Roberson Art, and after me is Billy with BCC Arts Studios. Have a wonderful weekend, everyone.